Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, All Things Michkiah. I hope you guys have been enjoying my videos. Today I'll be making some sweet and sour chicken, and I'm gonna add a little bit of Caribbean flavor to it, so stay tuned. Okay, so here I have my chicken that's already seasoned. I'm using only chicken breast, and I have diced them and seasoned. So now I'm gonna put a little bit of flour on them and coat them with the flour. I'm using a glove because it's quicker, less mess. Okay, my chicken is coming along really nice and it's gonna be done soon. I'll be taking it from the pot. So here I have some water that I put on the stove that I'm about to let boil. I'm gonna be adding some rice to it to have with my sweet and sour chicken. I'm gonna be adding some coconut milk to my white rice because I don't like plain white rice. And for me to eat rice, I have to add like coconut milk or something to it to like kind of change the flavor somewhat. I'm about to add some coconut milk to my pot. I can't add the whole tin or the whole can, whatever you call it, can, tin, I don't know. But I can't use the whole tin. The pot is small, number one, and if you use the whole tin, your rice won't cook and it will burn. See? The water is still like water, but you have coconut milk in it. If you add too much coconut milk, your rice will burn. Get a nice stir going so that your rice don't stick to the bottom of your pot. And then every Caribbean person knows we cook rice with a little bit of butter. If you're from the Caribbean, you know we always make rice with a little bit of butter. My pot is nice and seasoned, so I'm just gonna let this do its thing. Yes, sir. I'm juicing some lime. This is where I'm gonna get some sourness from for my sweet and sour chicken. I'm using freshly squeezed lime instead of like the store-bought liquid. I mean, either is fine, but this is what I have on hand. These limes are nice and juicy. Okay, so I have some diced tomatoes that I'm gonna add to my pot. I'm gonna cook them until they're really, really soft. So it's gonna be a part of my sauce. Adding some onions. So I added my tomatoes and onions to a little bit of oil that I had in the pot, and I cooked them enough so that they were soft and translucent, and then I added some water and I continued to cook it down. Continue the cooking down process. I'm adding a little bit of garlic. I love garlic, y'all. I put that crap on everything. You know that advertisement? Mm-hmm. Yep. I'm adding some ketchup to my sauce. Okay, so I left my tomatoes and onions as, you know, small chunks in my pot because that's personally how I like it. If you don't like that, you could just blend it out and you have a smoother sauce, but I actually like my sauce this way. So now I'm adding my pineapples with the pineapple juice. Okay, so I'm adding some sugar to give it a little sweetness. Sweetness. I'm just gonna add some breadcrumbs to kind of thicken my sauce, like, you know, have it come together a little bit thick. Why is this chicken gonna win you? Now I'm adding my chicken. Look at that. Would you guys look at this? Just look at this. Oh my god. Just look at this. It's all coming together. Okay guys, here's the finished product of my sweet and sour chicken. Okay guys, there you have it, my version of sweet and sour chicken. I hope you like this video. Please remember to share it and subscribe, and I will definitely see you in my next video. Until next time, bye.